Good evening, students. Good evening, guys. My dear students. Oh, we are now complete. Oh, I just came home. I came from the hospital. I just came from the hospital.
Yesterday and today. You look sad. Why, Tom? You look sad.
No, I don't sad.
Oh, I'm not sad. All right. Okay, how about Nick? How are you, Nick?
I'm good.
Oh, that's good to know. Did you have dinner already? Mm, Did you have your
Yes.
dinner? All right, that's good. How about Ken? Ken, are you there? Ken, dear?
What?
Oh, how are you, Ken?
I'm right.
Oh, that's good. How was your school? How was your school today?
I'm right.
Oh, that's great. All right. Okay, students. Last time we have an exam. All right. So if there's someone who not send the test answer, send it after the class. Okay. I need your answers. Okay. Now, where are we now? Here. Oh, 34. Okay. Now let's have our lesson. Okay. How's the weather today, Tom?
It's hot.
Oh, it's also hot in the Philippines. So what do you do during summer season?
I play badminton and play football.
Wow, that's fun. How about Nick? What do you do during summer season?
Yes,
What do you do?
I do karate.
Wow, karate. How about Ken? What do you do during summer season?
I play taekwondo.
Oh, are you eating now? What food do you eat now? What kind of food is that?
It's apple.
Wow, I like apple. Do you know an apple a day can take the doctor away? Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Wow, all right. Okay, sorry class. It's my internet is not too fast tonight. Okay, I will share the screen, dear students. Okay, here.
Huh?
Okay, here. All right. So, what is the title, Nick, of our lesson for tonight?
Confirm flyer unit 35 what it made of.
Yes, what it made of. Now let's learn vocabulary, students. Iron,
Iron.
iron,
Iron.
silver,
Silver.
gold, gold,
Gold.
gold. Very good.
Where's gold? Where's a picture of gold?
Of, oh, you can see? Oh, sorry. Okay, I will share again, dear. Can you see now? Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Steel, steel, wood,
Steel.
wood,
Wood.
wood,
Wood.
wool, wool,
Wool.
wool. Very good. How about this? Fabric, 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 glass, 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 plastic, plastic, plastic. Very good. Now let's proceed to section A. Please answer the questions, okay? Let's start with Ken. What the pen made of? What the pen made of, Ken? Made of? What is the pen made of?
Made of
Plastic.
plastic.
What's the pencil made
Ink.
of? Tom? Wood. How about number 3, Nick? What's the spoon made of?
Made of steel.
Yes. Ken? What's the envelope made of?
Steel. No.
Paper. Paper.
Paper.
Tom, what's the glasses made of?
The glass is made of is glass.
Very good. Nick, what's the glass made of?
The glass.
Yes. How about Ken? What's the dress made of?
Dress made of
Oh, Nick, sand? Oh, all right. Before you can make a glass, you can use the sand. Okay, correct. Yes. I know it's made from sand, but I thought it's difficult for you. So you did great. Good job, Nick. Well done. Yes, it made from the sand. To make a glass, you need a sand. Okay, what's the dress is made of, Ken?
made of
Fabric.
fabric.
Fabric. All right.
Fabric.
Now, Nick, please read aloud and let's check your pronunciation.
Liar tip. In reading and writing part 1, you can cross out the example answer and then other answer as you work through each task.
Oh, what's this? Is this your birthday? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a Pikachu. What's this, Ken? Oh my
It's
God, you're
Pikachu.
playing Pokemon Go. Are you a fan of Pokemon Go?
Is unchap red.
Oh my God. Okay, please proceed next. Sorry.
Unchap red.
Okay, flyers tip in reading and writing part 1. You can cross out the example, answered, and then other answers as you work through each task. All right, so this one, what's this? Write the words on the lines. For example, this one, we use this to make small things like keys, big things like bridges, because it's very strong. It's a metal. Now I will assign each of you to answer, okay? Tom, Nick, Ken, me, and Tom. Now please answer now, and let's check once you are done, okay? Please put your answers, dear students. Nick, number 2.
Yeah.
Ken, number 3. Okay, done? Are you done, dear students? Number 4. Okay, let's check your answer now. Number 1, Tom, please read aloud, Tom.
This comedy is hard, but you can't cut it and make things like slabs of bookcase with it.
Okay, the answer is,
The answer is off.
okay, wood. Number 2, Nick. Please read aloud number 2.
Become animal like sheep, rub, and warm clothes
Clothes.
like clothes like scarves and sweaters are made with it fabric.
Okay, a fabric. Okay, the answer is wool. Wool. Next, Ken, number 3. You can. Ken.
What?
Number 3.
You can write on the raw a piece of this is only made from trees and is flatter and often
White.
flatter.
Okay, what is it? What is it?
Flatted.
No, it's a paper. Next, Nick.
Expensive ring, necklace, and
Necklaces.
necklaces and bracelets are sometimes
Bracelets.
made of beads. Crown too.
Okay, this is gold. Next, Tom. Number 5, Tom.
Consider the way so we use it to make things like windows. But this is made from sand.
Okay, it's
glass.
a glass. Good job, students. Now, can you see? Okay. Spell bottle. Where is the bottle, Ken? Please circle the bottle. Ken, Nick, Tom, me, and Ken. Okay, knife. This is the knife. Now circle your answer, Nick, Tom. Tom, comb. Nick, sorry. Nick, comb. Next, Tom, cupboard. Now, Ken, number 1 is bottle. Correct. Number 2, Nick, comb. Where's the comb, Nick? Okay. Cupboard. Correct, Tom. Knife. And the last, guitar. Well done. It's so easy. Wow. All right, enough, dear. Put them in the boxes. Where is a bottle usually made of? Okay, where's the bottle usually made of, Nick? Nick, where is the bottle made of?
What?
All right. Okay, this one. Okay, what is a bottle usually made of? The bottle is made of? Okay, let's have the answer, students. Please read aloud, Tom. Metal. Metal.
Metal, cupboard, fork, key, knife.
Okay, how about wood, Ken? Wood. Ken?
What? Wood, balls, brush, cupboard, guitar, lamp, chopstick, pencil,
Chopsticks?
ruler.
Okay, how about paper, Nick?
paper, car, newspaper, envelope, fan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how about can? Plastic. Can?
Butter,
Mm,
coat, purse, stop sheet, cup, dirt, plant.
mm. Ruler.
Roof,
Okay,
keyboard,
Tom.
keyboard,
Glass.
mouse, fork, guitar,
Very
glass,
good.
knife,
Bowl,
lamp,
bowl,
ruler.
lamp, mirror,
Okay, next, wool, Nick.
glass, bottle, bowl, lamp, mirror.
Okay, very good. Let's proceed to the next part. William's secret things. What are they made of? Okay, how about now William's secret things. Now, can you please tell me, Ken, what is William's secret things?
Yeah.
Tập trung vô.
Sir. Sir.
Dẹp hết
Ken?
dẹp coi.
What?
William's secret things. Tapon mo yan, bakot-kot sa saksakan. Okay, Tom. William's secret things.
A coat,
Oh, you sleep over with a goat? Mm-hmm. Tom? Hello?
a coat,
Okay, for example, this one, Sam. Secret thing is about beautiful comb. Where did she hide? In a box under the bed. What made of silver? Large or little? Little. When and when did she find? Last summer. Okay, let's make this one, Tom. Let's make a sentence. William's secret things is about
William's secret is about a coat,
and then
she put it under the bed.
mm-hmm.
It's made of
Is made of
it's made of coal.
okay.
Silver.
How about okay, wow, ladder. We call it ladder, okay? How about Nick?
Yes.
Okay, what's the answer of this? Find the picture. Find 4 things begin with M, B, and S.
Umbrella.
Man, map, mirror, mustache, and mouse music. Okay, your turn, Brian. Brian, sorry. Nick.
Yes.
What's the answer, Nick?
Bed.
Mustache, Nick.
A spider.
Nick,
Book.
mustache.
Mustache.
Okay, Can, please answer.
What?
Please answer, Can. Ball,
Ball.
bat,
Ball.
bin, bottle, book, box. Number
Bottle,
5,
book,
shelves, short legs,
box.
spider,
Yes.
suitcase, swan.
Sugar. Wow.
Now listen and color, students. Okay, let's have Ken, number 1. 2. Okay, 2. What's your name again? Okay, number 1, Ken, Nick, and okay, this one. Listen and color.
And me.
Okay, Nick.
And me.
Okay. What's the octopus made of? Tom? What's the octopus made of?
Octopus made of glass egg.
Number 4. Now I will play the audio, dear students. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay. 2, Ken, 3, Tom, Nick, Tom. Okay, this one. And 1, 2, 5. All right, let's check your answer. Okay, I will play the audio now, dear students. Listen carefully, okay?
35E. What's it made of? Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
This room is untidy.
Yes, but Emma and her father are going to tidy it. No one usually goes there.
Oh, can I color the umbrella? The open one.
That's a good idea. Make it green, please.
Color now.
Can you see the green umbrella? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write. 1,
Shall I color that piece of paper next?
The one with music on it? Yes.
Can I use purple for that?
Yes, you can.
Great! Thanks. That's my favorite color.
With purple.
2,
Would you like to color the suitcase, too?
The round one.
No, they never use that. Color the square one. Color it red.
All right. What's inside it?
I don't know.
3,
What's that octopus made of? That old toy that Emma's dad is holding.
Oh, plastic, I think. But can you see the metal box behind him?
The tall one?
Yes. Write the word books on it, please.
All right. But it looks empty.
Well, perhaps Emma's going to put some old toys in it soon.
4,
Can I write something else here too? On the TV screen.
Well, no one has turned it on, but okay.
How about movies? I love watching films.
So do I. Okay, you can write that word.
Thank you.
5,
Now, color the ball of wool for me. The one next to the castle.
All right. Can I make that green?
You've already used that color. No, make it brown instead.
All right. I'm doing that now. There.
Excellent. Thank you.
Không phải 6 phút à?
Học xong chưa? Tập trung vô.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done, students. Let's check your answer. What's that? What's that, Liam? Number 1. Stinky. Smell, Daddy. Smell.
No.
Okay, number 1, Ken. Okay, what's that? The bottle. Okay, Nick. What's the answer, Nick? Number 2?
Suitcase.
What is
Dress.
number 2?
Red suitcase.
Nick?